Okay, yes, then the people, this is going to be Stroud Police Station, Stroud Police Station. I was just driving on the motorway and I was stopped by two armed response officers in their armed response vehicle. Essentially, I mean, I'll be honest, like they were speeding and I was kind of like speeding behind them. And then I tried to indicate to them to stop speeding. And then, yeah, they, I don't know when you're going to see this video, so I don't want to spoil anything. But yeah, I was pulled over. And yeah, there were some pretty interesting developments. So this is going to be Stroud Police Station. We're going to audit Stroud Police Station right quick. I don't know if you...
All right, quick context check before this kicks off. Being stopped by armed response officers is already a high-stakes situation. Add filming, add a police station, and you've got the perfect storm. The real question here isn't vibes, it's authority. Who actually has the legal power to move someone on, and under what law?
I've seen the Swindon video yet, but yeah, this is definitely going to be private property, or there's definitely going to be some conflict. Hiya.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, it's a restricted area, mate. Can I help you?
I'm just making a video.
It's a police station, blood. You're gonna have to come out onto the path.
Why? There's an implied right of access through here, though.
Mate, it's a police
Are
station.
you smoking?
Yeah, I'm smoking, mate. This is a police station.
I'm aware.
You're not allowed around here. I'm going to escort you out into the...
This is where things go sideways. Physical contact without clearly stated lawful authority is a massive red flag. Even on private land, officers need a legal basis, not just because I said so. Watch closely, notice how the conversation jumps straight from talking to touching.
road. You can film from out there.
Oh, don't touch me, don't touch me.
I'm going to touch you, mate.
No, get your hand off me. Wait. Let's have a chat first.
No.
Don't touch me again, by the way. No, I'm not going to turn no camera off.
Touch you now.
No, you certainly won't. You're not going to touch me. Don't touch me.
And you're not allowed within here, mate.
But there's nothing stopping me from coming here. I understand this. No, mate, listen, just wait.
No, you wait.
No, you wait. You just come up to me and touch my hand and just touch me. And you're smoking.
Now, I'm allowed to smoke, mate.
Yeah.
Okay? Just like you are.
You're not going to touch me again, though, are you? You're not going to touch me again, though, are you?
You're going to walk away?
Potentially.
Come on then, we can leave together. Come on.
But why is there...
You're not allowed around here. This is your last warning, okay? I've given you fair warning, all right? This is a police station. You are now a security risk. Okay?
Why am I a security risk? Then you should close this gate then. Why is this gate open then?
You need to leave.
There's nothing stopping... No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You need to leave now.
Don't touch me. What are you going to do?
I'm going to escort you out.
No, you're not. Don't touch me.
You need to leave here now, mate.
No, I'm not. I'm not leaving anywhere, mate. Don't touch me. Don't just come and touch me.
You need to leave here now.
Man. That's not how you do it. Speak nicely. We could have a conversation and maybe you'll leave.
I've told you.
Yeah, and
this is a restricted area.
I'm trying to explain something to you.
I've told you.
Here comes the buzzword, implied right of access. Open gates, no signage, no barriers. That's exactly where legal grey areas live. If a member of the public can walk in without climbing, forcing, or bypassing security, the law gets very uncomfortable very fast. Drop a comment, should police stations rely on force or better design and signage?
Under the Criminal Justice Act, this becomes a public place.
Mate, can you send a couple of lads down here? We got someone filming in the yard refusing to leave. Thank you.
You identify yourself, please.
I already have.
You just flipped the little thing. I didn't see it. What's your name?
I've shown you my ID.
What's your name? I need to make a complaint. All right, PC
Davis.
Davis.
Make a complaint. Oh yeah, can you? Yeah, we need to get this lad out of here. He's filming in a restricted area.
Oh right, okay. You can't film me, mate.
I can film it.
No, you can't.
I have an implied right of access to be here.
You don't have an implied right of
I
access
absolutely
to be
do.
here. You
because this gate is open. What stopped me from walking? Have I jumped? Is there any signs?
Mate,
is there any signs?
And so can I help you? And you shouldn't be here, okay? You've jumped up straight away and gone,
no, you've jumped up. You put hands on me.
Yes,
you put hands on me.
Yeah,
and you can escort me without having to put hands on me. This is why I'm going to stay.
How would you like me to escort you without
putting
hands on you?
nicely.
I've told you to leave.
Yeah, well, you didn't ask nicely, and I'm trying to explain why I'm here.
I don't have to ask you nicely.
Yeah, you certainly do.
I've told you to leave.
Yeah, you certainly do.
Okay, and you're refusing.
I'm refusing because I have a right to be here. I have an implied right of access. There's no signage. There's no gates.
Right to be here, mate.
Davis,
okay?
listen,
this is private property.
Let me
the
speak.
Front of the house, okay, is a reception area where you can go and you can speak to the receptionist and you can film her all you like. And I've told you to leave, and you're not leaving. Okay. Now some people will come and escort you. Okay. Together with me out of here because you're not leaving under your own accord, are you?
Okay,
you're not leaving when I've told you to leave.
Let me explain something. There's no signage. There's no gate. I haven't hopped any fences. No, I'm being serious.
It's a
There's no
restricted
signage.
area.
It doesn't say no public access.
Okay.
There's nothing like that preventing me. So this becomes a public place.
So likewise then,
There's
what
an
makes
implied,
you, what makes
implied.
you
Look at this.
think-
It's implied right of
What makes you
access.
think that you do have a right of access to come into a police
Because there's
station
nothing
car
that preventing
park?
me. You should better
to
close
come
that.
into a police station car park, okay?
Why
do
can't
you
I
think
be
you
here?
can?
What can I possibly
Because
do here?
it's a security
What could I?
risk, okay?
Do you think that I'm a risk right now?
Yes, I do, mate.
What?
I don't know
Based
who
on
you
what?
are.
Based
You
on
stood
what?
here
Based
filming.
on
I've
what?
asked you to leave.
Am I being
and you
hostile?
become
You're the one that's being
confrontational
hostile.
straight
I
away.
should be scared of you.
All
You're a
right,
security
you've become
risk.
confrontational.
You are a security risk.
Straight away when I've
You
told
are a
you
security
to
risk.
come out here, I've invited you to come and speak
You
to me
haven't
on the
invited
pavement
me. You
outside.
started barking
No, I
orders
didn't,
and
mate.
trying
I
to put
said you
hands
could
on
come
me.
and speak to me
All
on the
right.
pavement outside.
All right.
You're the one who's refused. All right.
Listen carefully to the language here. You hear warnings, threats, and commands, but very little clear legal explanation. Phrases like "you're a risk" sound serious, but legally, they mean nothing without justification. This is where emotion starts replacing law, and that never ends well.
Right, and now you will be escorted from the premises because you're not leaving.
now that
Well,
you've
I've
got some
advised you to
backup.
do so. All right, come on, it's time to leave. All right.
Why is it time to leave? Let
Are
me
you going
explain.
to be leaving now? I've told you to leave. We can have a chat on the pavement. Is that what you're going to do?
When you come off the premises, my friend, you can film perfectly well on public property. If it's private, off you go right now. I won't ask you again.
Right now.
Plans on you if you don't. And if you resist me, I'll arrest you. Let's go.
Why will you arrest me? Do I not have an implied right of access to be here?
No, you don't.
Look
Told
at
you
all
that.
these people. Look, under
Mate, you've been
duress.
given a fair
Yeah, now
warning.
you want to
I've
shout
given
now.
you loads
Now
of
you want to
warnings,
shout.
so I'm
Under
gonna
duress.
move.
Let's go.
Well, don't touch me. Don't touch
Let's
me.
go.
I'm
Your hands
leaving.
up to
No, you don't
your
touch me.
private property.
Get your hand off me.
No, let's
Get your
go.
hand off me.
No, I won't.
Can you get your hand off
Until
me?
you leave.
Can you
I
get your
want
hand?
you to
Get your
leave.
hand off me.
I want
You
to
get your
leave.
hand off me.
Relax.
Get your hand off me,
I'm just
man.
helping you off
Get
the
your hand
premises.
off. Get your hand off me.
Hold on to your
Get
hand.
your hand off me.
Hold on to
Get
your
your
hand.
hand off me.
Here we go.
How am I causing a disturbance?
Here we go.
How am I causing a disturbance? Get your hand off me. Why are you all putting your hands on me? Yeah,
on to your
what
back.
crime is that?
Help you
Get
leave,
your
okay?
hand off. Get your hand off
Now
me.
you're on
Get your hand off.
public
I have an implied right of access to be there.
you don't.
Yes, I do, because the
If you
gate's
want-
open and there's no
if you
signage. Can you
want to-
identify yourself?
Hold on,
You just
listen.
put hands on me without identifying
So
yourself.
stop talking. Let me explain to you then. Okay? If you want to come down to reception,
No, I don't want to come down to reception. Look.
don't talk to me.
No, let's talk. Let's speak. Can you identify yourself, please? You just put hands on me without identifying.
I've tried to explain to you, but you're
Okay.
talking and talking and talking.
All right, you explain.
If you want me to speak,
I
to you,
want you
will
to
do.
explain.
If you don't, keep chatting on and get onto public property. Okay? If you want to go into reception, make any complaint you want, or ask for any access you like, you can do that.
Please
okay?
explain.
There's no implied permission to enter this property.
All right, explain
There's
that
a
then.
gate here and it's enclosed premises.
Explain
Not allowed
that.
to be
Then
in
why
here.
is the gate open?
Nothing to do with you, is it?
Right.
I'm telling you, this is private property.
Why is there no
That's all
signage?
That's all I need to tell you. Don't worry about signage. I'm telling you.
What do you mean, don't worry about? Of course I need to
I'm
worry
telling
about
you,
signage.
You can't be on here, okay? So, that's the end of it. Any other questions?
Why is the gate open then?
Any other questions for me?
No, I've got no other. Would you identify yourself,
Thank you.
please? Would you identify yourself, please? Just put hands on me.
Back over there.
So are we going to be this petty over whether I'm stood here or there?
Yeah,
You're going to put
yeah.
hands on me again? You're going to put hands on me again over this, are you?
Just do it.
Why? Why do I need to just take orders? Look, I
Because
can be
you've
here.
asked it.
There's no
You can't
signage
explain
from
this is
stopping me
private
being here.
property.
There's no
There doesn't need
signage.
to be signage.
Yes, there does need to be
There's
signage. There
no
needs to be a
signage.
gate.
There's no signage on my house to say that you're not allowed in it, but you know full well that it's private property.
Yes,
and you're
but your
allowed to
house
do
isn't
so.
paid for by
And to
taxpayers,
step
is it?
over,
My tax
it
pays for
doesn't
this. Of
matter.
course,
It is still
absolutely
private
matters.
property.
You have an
access to the
occupational.
front of the property.
You talk, then I'll talk. Yeah. You have an occupational lease that you're renting this off. Yeah. So, and you're doing a service for the public, so the public have got a right to access this
No, they
place.
don't.
I understand you may not want people to go through there, in which case you should secure it. Why are you laughing? I'm just trying to make a
don't
point.
need to secure
Would
it.
you mind identifying yourself, please, before I take any advice from you?
Yeah, my name is Sergeant Kirsty Iliff. Now,
Right.
can you please step back over?
Are we going to be this petty over this?
Yeah.
Is this just for you to exercise jurisdiction?
Right, if I walk away from here now, are you going to remain on public land?
I don't know.
Okay.
Public
right.
land.
My colleagues and I are going to leave. If you come back onto private property, you will.
This argument about taxpayer-funded buildings comes up all the time, and it's misunderstood. Paying tax doesn't automatically grant unrestricted access. But if it's private property, the boundary must be clear and enforceable. No signs, no gates, no clarity? Expect confrontation.
Be arrested, all right?
Arrested for what?
You'll be arrested. That's not.
Arrested for what?
I'm telling you. that
What
you'll be
offence?
arrested for
What
being on
offence?
private property.
What trespass? Is that not a civil matter? Why will I be arrested? You're just throwing around these threats.
Can I ask you what it is?
Doesn't
you've
matter
come
what
here
I'm doing.
for?
Doesn't matter what I'm doing. I'm here doing a legal activity. There is certainly an implied right of access.
There's not an implied right of
There
access
absolutely
because you've
is.
just been told
Then why
by
don't you
me and
close
my
the gate
colleagues
then?
That you're not allowed.
So because you say
don't
so,
need to close
there
the
isn't.
gate.
So
Yes, that's
because you
correct.
say so, there isn't. I don't think so. I don't think that's right.
What is it that you're doing here?
It doesn't
what
matter.
is
It doesn't
that is
matter what I'm
upsetting
doing.
you?
Nothing has upset me. This is not. I don't have a personal vendetta against police. I'm just exercising my right to walk around in a public space and film. I haven't come here because I've got a personal problem with him.
So what are you doing with the film? What's
because I can film. I don't need to have a reason. It's a lawful activity. If I want to film, I will film. And I've answered your question, which is that I don't need to have a reason. I don't appreciate you smirking and doing all these things and putting hands on me. Like there was no need for that.
What?
You guys are very like tense, very like
if
goony.
you just listen to what we asked you to do,
Yeah, but I don't need to listen to because I'm not committing any offences, am I? Am I committing an offence? Have I used any bad language or anything?
So you did.
He was just putting hands on me straight away, and then you lot have come out and you've done this. Why are none of you in uniform as well? Like, what's going on? What's going on here? Like, what's this? Stroud Police Station?
Who?
Stroud. How do you Stroud? Is it Stroud? I don't know. Would you mind identifying yourself, please?
Do you mind identifying yourself?
I'm certainly not going to identify myself. Okay. Have I committed an offence?
Okay, my friend.
Okay, where do the cars come in and out of? Just a question, Ben. Where do the cars come in and out of?
Coming out of where? Sorry.
So am I not on private property now? What, am I going to be? You're going to put hands on me again?
Obviously, you are trying to get a reaction.
I'm definitely not. It's just petty, though, isn't it?
You're clearly just doing it to try and get a reaction, okay? Which is fine, okay?
Okay.
But you know, as my colleagues have said, you come into there again, okay? There's obviously police cars and whatever around there. We don't. It's not right that you're filming that, and you know.
So what would be the offence if I was to go and film there?
Well, at the end of the day.
Am I obstructing anyone?
Well, we've got to find out what you're. You know, we don't know what you're.
Well, you just said I'm looking for a reaction. You figured it out, haven't you?
Well,
this is your opinion.
I don't know what you're here for.
Well, you just said I'm here to cause a reaction.
No, you could be a security breach for all we know. Okay, this is the problem. This is the whole point. You're going there. We've got to think about.
What would suggest that I'm a security breach?
I don't know. You're not telling me anything about you. Why you're here?
I'm not required to.
No, but that's fine. But that's going to make us. If you were honest with us, we might, what you're here for.
I don't need to explain anything, do I?
There you go. Okay.
But I'm going to ask again. Where do the cars come in and out of?
Well, if you hang around, I'm sure you'll see.
All right, you're dismissed. Fucking slaphead. Trying to put hands on me and that. Yeah, let's have a little walk around. Yeah, this place is there's some like goons in there. Yeah, did you hear? Yeah, you got all that. Yeah, kids. Hold on. Let me just quickly sum this up. Yeah, we're just going to keep walking around in that. What's this? Stroud Police Station? Hold on. Let me actually get the front. That was all crazy, bro. Bro, you weren't even there. You should have seen what I was doing. The madness, bro. Anyway, let me just. Yeah, that was crazy. I'm gonna film some private number plates in that. Go around the front. Look at this inspector. Look at that chief inspector. Yeah, this place definitely needs an audit. If anyone's watching this video, please come here and audit this place. Superintendent, look at this. This place definitely needs an audit. This place definitely needs an audit. This place is wild. Like, yeah, this place is wild. I think. Yeah. This place is. Yeah, I mean, it's one of them as an auditor. Like, you don't want to push the boundaries too much. Because you're thinking they can just put cuffs on you, or they can nick you, they can seize your phone, they can, they I don't know what to say. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this, and then obviously I'm gonna pick it back up because we already know that, that this isn't gonna be the end of this. That's for sure. I know that this ain't gonna be the end of this.
Audits like this aren't about hating police. They expose training gaps, policy confusion, and poor communication. Nobody wins when officers escalate first and explain later. So ask yourself, should public servants rely on force or better knowledge of the law they enforce?
So yeah, we'll pick this back up. Hello? Hi mate, can I help you? Can I help you? You're just taking photos of me. Like, it's absolutely fine. I don't have no issue with that. I'm just wondering why. Excuse me. Can I help you, my friend? Can I just ask why you were taking a photo of me? I wasn't taking a photo of you. No, you certainly were. It's fine. You can take all the photos you like. We're in a public place. That's absolutely fine. I would just like to know why.
Okay, mate.
I'd like to know why. Are you a police officer? Yeah, I can come in here. This is publicly accessible. I'm gonna make an inquiry. So let's not try and block. Yeah, why don't you go first? Who are you? Are you a police officer?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm gonna go in there. I need to make a complaint.
Go then.
Yeah, you don't touch me, by the way.
Okay, don't touch me.
No one's touching you. Don't try and close the door again, yeah? Fucking weirdo. Is my man trying to close the door in that? Yeah, this place, yeah, guys, you need to make sure you come here, you know, this, yeah. Just that audit. My man was trying to block me from getting in here, you know. Fucking joke. Anyway, guys, we're gonna pick this up. All right then, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up right here. This was Stroud Police Station, so I think at the start of the video I called it Stroud. But yeah, I think you pronounce it Stroud, so I don't fucking Stroud loud, whatever. Whatever it's called. But yeah, I've been taking the criticism on board in regards to private property and implied right of access, signage, all these things. So like I said, I've been taking it all on board. I've been trying to exercise it, put it into practice. I feel as though I've done that today. Oh, I think the woman might be coming back out, you know. Hold on. So I don't know if this is going to be the outro or not. We're going to keep it rolling just for a little longer, because that sergeant is, it looks like she's going to come back up. So I'll be interested to see that. If not, then thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Burks_2H. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one, man. I knew today was going to be a mad day for videos. I told you. But yeah, peace.